Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. Today I am doing an unboxing with you. I just placed this order last week. Last week through Sunshine Greens on Etsy. So let's go ahead and open this up. So I've never received a plant order in a box like this, so I don't really know where to start. It feels very light. The plants I got are small, so let's just see where to start. I've never ordered from this company before, so let's just see. Okay. Ooh, these are super tiny plants. Okay, so this looks like both of them. So small. I wasn't expecting them to be this tiny. But they are starter plants, so that's probably why. Okay, so let's start with this one. I ordered a, what's it, Hilo Beauty. Give me a second. Okay, so I ordered a Hilo Beauty. This is an Alocasia. I am excited to see what this looks like since it came in such an itty bitty package. Hilo. Just try not to destroy anything. A little bit of dirt. Oh. All right, okay. So here it is. It's stuck to the paper. Give me a second. Okay, so it's still on the paper. Here's what it looks like. This is an Alocasia Hilo Beauty. Very cute. It's got some new growth here. A yellow leaf, not a big deal. The roots look pretty good. It was not in the mail for very long, maybe 3 days max. Let me check. My cat is chirping. Oh, must be a squirrel or something. Anyway, so this one looks really good. So pretty. I can't wait to see this mature. Okay, now for the next plant. This one is a Silver Dragon Alocasia. Go ahead and open this. And these are just starter plants, so they're supposed to be small. I ordered them this way because it was a little cheaper to do it like this. Now, what usually happens for me is when I buy a plant that I want in a smaller size, I usually end up finding it in a bigger size for a great price, like in a store. So I'm guessing I will probably find these in stores sometime this year for super cheap. But yeah, okay, so here is, sorry. This one is so itty bitty. Tear this. All right, so here it is. Silver Dragon. Super cute. It's got a new leaf coming out. Again, another yellow baby leaf, but it'll be perfectly fine. These plants look really, really good. Super good, super tiny. I am on an Alocasia kick right now, so I have been collecting them like crazy. Oh my goodness. And if you watched my other video where I just got 2 ColorChoice corms, Colocasia and Alocasia are under the elephant ear umbrella. So I got 2 Colocasia corms. One of them is Mojito and the other one is Hawaiian Punch. So I'm super excited to get those going. I need to get them potted up pretty soon. I have not done it yet, but these guys are already growing. They are so cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and pot these two up with you guys. I was gonna pot them up off screen, but I decided to go ahead and just do it anyway. So for the mix that I'm using, these plants are so tiny. I'm gonna use these little 2-inch pots, and then I mixed up some perlite with Pro Mix and vermiculite. So that's my little mix for these guys. They'll be in these 2-inch pots probably until midsummer. They'll probably be at a nice size to pot up to a 4-inch. When you're potting up plants, you want to make sure that you go up at least 2 inches to give the plant some room. I'm guessing these were already in a pot this size because look how tiny. These are just super, super tiny. Yeah. Ooh, I almost lost that one. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and add just a little bit of soil. These are such teeny weeny. Okay, that's too much soil. So I'm gonna add a little bit of soil and then go ahead and unwrap the Silver Dragon. So these are these are little plugs. See how it's like got this little perfect shape down here? These are just like plugs, you know? That's what they call them. So I'm gonna stick it in here, just like that. And then I'll go ahead and add some soil. Like that. For Alocasia, you want the soil to be well draining. They do grow from a tuber or corm or bulb, whatever you call it. They grow from that. So you definitely want to make sure that they can get moisture, but you also don't want them to be soaking wet, or you will kill that bulb, just like any other type of elephant ear plant. So this one looks really good, and I don't want to disturb the roots on this because it is a baby plant. I just want to get it potted and get it watered in. So now for the Halo Beauty, just add a little bit of soil. It's a lot. And if these outgrow the 2-inch pots fast, then I'll just pot them up sooner than summertime. But I think that they'll be, a lot of times plants coming in the mail, they take a while to adjust and to actually start putting out new growth. So I think these will be fine. All right, so we got this one. I'm actually take a little bit of soil out and then go ahead and pop that in, and then I'm gonna put the soil in around it. Now this one, the Halo Beauty, is a little bit bigger than the Silver Dragon, so this one will probably get repotted into a 4-inch much sooner. But I think right now this is a good temporary home for this plant. Go ahead and squish that soil down. Alrighty, here they go. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any questions or comments. I will link the Etsy store in the description if you want to get some starter plants of your own.